You've heard all the Medicare ads. Here's the truth. You've heard all the Medicare ads. Free dental, free vision, zero premium. They make it sound like you're missing out on some golden ticket. But let's be honest, if you've lived long enough, you already know this rule. If it sounds too good to be true, it usually is. Here's what those commercials don't tell you. Yes, some Medicare Advantage plans really do include extras like dental, vision, or a gym membership, but not every plan offers the same benefits, and what's free isn't always free for you. Sometimes it's limited to a cleaning, an exam, or a small allowance that doesn't go very far. And then there's the fine print. Most of these plans use doctor networks. That means if your favorite doctor or hospital isn't in the network, you'll either pay more or have to switch providers. That's a big surprise for a lot of people. Original Medicare, on the other hand, lets you see almost any doctor that accepts Medicare nationwide, but you might pay more each month if you add a Medigap supplement. Medicare Advantage often has a lower monthly premium, but you'll pay as you go. Co-pays, coinsurance, and sometimes deductibles. So what's the takeaway? Don't fall for the noise. Medicare isn't one size fits all, and the best plan isn't the one with the loudest commercial. It's the one that fits you. If you want to see what's actually available in your zip code, what benefits are real and what they really cost, go to MedicareSelfenrolled.com. No calls, no pressure. Just clear, honest information. I'm Bill Vargas, and I believe Medicare shouldn't be confusing. It should be clear, honest, and built around you.